Hey everyone, welcome back to Old Studio Car. Today, we're diving into a true classic, the 1960 Ford Falcon. Whether you're a vintage car enthusiast or just love timeless designs, this car has a lot to offer, and we're going to cover everything from its exterior updates to performance, speed, fuel economy, and even its current market price. Starting with the exterior, the 1960 Ford Falcon is a striking blend of simplicity and elegance. Ford's designers kept things sleek yet practical. The front grille has a clean, horizontal layout that gives the car a distinctive, understated look. In recent restoration updates, many enthusiasts and collectors have been opting for a polished chrome finish on the bumpers and grille, which really highlights the vintage appeal. The body lines are smooth and straight, giving it a timeless silhouette. While it was considered a compact car back in the day, it has maintained a sense of proportion that appeals to modern eyes as well. Some updated versions also come with new paint finishes that weren't available in 1960, ranging from metallic shades to custom classic colors that enhance the nostalgia factor. The headlights have also been refreshed in many restorations, using modern LED technology while keeping the original round shape intact. The overall update on the exterior makes the car feel like it's been preserved from the past, but with subtle enhancements that make it more presentable on today's roads. Moving on to performance, the 1960 Ford Falcon was originally designed with simplicity and reliability in mind. Most models came with a straight 6 engine, producing around 90 horsepower. While that might sound modest by today's standards, it offered smooth acceleration and a comfortable driving experience for its era. Many updated versions and restorations have upgraded the engine with modern components, improving efficiency and responsiveness without compromising the classic feel. Some enthusiasts have even swapped in more powerful engines, which increases the thrill of driving this classic car without losing its original character. The suspension and handling are surprisingly nimble for a car of its age, offering a balanced ride that's easy to enjoy on both city streets and open roads. When it comes to maximum speed, the original 1960 Ford Falcon could reach roughly 90 to 100 miles per hour. With modern engine upgrades, some restored models can push slightly higher, but most owners prefer to maintain a safe and realistic speed to preserve the car's longevity and authenticity. The driving experience is more about smoothness and nostalgia than sheer speed, which is part of its charm. Fuel economy was impressive for its time. The straight 6 engine offered an average of about 20 to 25 miles per gallon. Modern upgrades can slightly improve efficiency, especially with newer fuel injection systems and improved carburetors. Still, this car is more about enjoying the drive and reliving history than chasing low fuel consumption, which is something every classic car enthusiast understands. As for the price, the 1960 Ford Falcon has seen a notable increase in value due to its classic status and the popularity of restored models. You can find original, unrestored models starting from around $10,000, but fully restored versions with updated features, like those we've discussed, can easily reach $25,000 to $35,000 depending on condition, engine modifications, and historical significance. Rare editions or fully customized restorations can go even higher, making it a worthwhile investment for collectors and vintage car lovers. In conclusion, the 1960 Ford Falcon represents a perfect mix of classic style, reliable performance, and timeless charm. Its exterior updates have preserved its iconic look while adding subtle modern touches. The performance, though modest by today's standards, offers a smooth and nostalgic driving experience. With a top speed of around 100 miles per hour, decent fuel efficiency, and an increasing value in today's collector market, the Falcon remains an exciting option for anyone interested in classic cars. It's a car that reminds us why we fell in love with automobiles in the first place: simple, elegant, and endlessly enjoyable. That's it for today's review of the 1960 Ford Falcon. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a classic beauty, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Old Studio Car for more detailed reviews of vintage and classic vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.